At least 4 persons have died from floods caused by heavy rains in the Senegalese capital, Dakar. The tragedy took place Saturday in Cambérène 2, more precisely in Yembu North, in the department of Commmiserating, Dakar. Commiserating with the victims, President Macky Sall said a delegation was dispatched to the families of the 3 people swept away by the latest rains. The center of Dakar had already been severely affected by these floods on August 5, killing 1 person. Flooding caused by torrential rain is common at this time of the year across West Africa. On August 6, about 126 millimeters of rain fell in just 6 hours in Dakar. The West African nation's rainy season normally runs from July to October.